Hello, Marauders. MTV starts now.
Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race to you. These days are happy and free. These days are share them with me. Blue black, gray sky, hello blue. There's nothing can hold me when I hold you. It feels so right, it can't be wrong. Rocking and rolling all week long. These days are happy and free. These happy days are yours and mine. These happy days are yours and mine. Happy days.
Good morning, Marauders. Today's October 6th. I'm Ruby Fiori, and you're watching MTV. Do you have a lot of spare time on your hands and looking for something to do? Let's check out this video about CSF and how to get more involved.
Hello, Monache. My name is Mr. Wagner, and I will be the co-advisor of the CSF Club this year with Ms. Culver. Our club is focused on academics and community service. Traditionally, we offer 1 to 2 overnight college trips per year, go to 5, 6, 7 universities on each trip. We are involved with food collection drives, campus cleanup once or twice a year, legacy projects like the Henderson Tree Project, and our favorite has always been Porterville Celebrates Reading over the last 15 years. It's great fun for the kids in our community, and it really is a lot of fun for our entire campus. Membership is 2 times a year, usually at the beginning of the semester, especially for my seniors. To qualify for lifetime seal bearer status, you have to qualify for CSF 4 of 6 semesters, one of which is in your senior year. Please take this serious, because with that, you can have a strong opportunity for academic scholarships at the college of your choice. Unfortunately, this is not a traditional year. CSF, however, will continue to have a strong presence on this campus and provide leadership opportunities and be strong in our community as well. And to tell you a little bit more about this, I introduce Ms. Culver.
Hi Marauders, my name is Miss Culver and I am one of your CSF co-advisors. We have a lot of new ideas floating around about what this year may look like, some of which include tutoring your peers and reading to children. We also want to prepare you for college by offering virtual campus tours, supporting you with your college applications, and showing you how to write that brag sheet when you want to ask for a letter of recommendation. If you want to be a part of all the awesome activities happening here with Monache CSF, we plan to have our Zoom meetings every other Tuesday after school. Please join the remind to stay updated about CSF events. And be on the lookout for that membership application. I can't wait to work with all of you and make this a fantastic year with Monache CSF. Bye, Marauders!
Thanks, Hassoon. That was really informative. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm super excited for the cold weather. Let's get ready for fall together with this next video.
Ladies and gentlemen, it was lovely to have you this year. See you next year, or not.
Not only did fall just start, we're also in fire season, and this week is Fire Prevention Week. Here's a video on how you can do your part in preventing fires. on top of it being National Fire Prevention Week, the World's Mental Health Day is also coming up pretty soon. Here's a video that'll tell you more about it.
Hello Marauders, it's Daniel, and I'm here to inform you about the World Mental Health Awareness Day in October 10th. As we should all know, since COVID started, being cooped up in your house hasn't felt all that good. And I know school has been tough on everyone, but I want you to know that you're not alone. There are tons of things and people we can go to for help. Here are some suggestions of places and things you can do. You can go to the park and have a picnic with people who you care and love. You can make your favorite food, or you could communicate how you feel to someone who you trust. For local help, you can contact the PhD psychologist, and they will try and help you the best they can. To contact them at 559-615-5414, Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. To show your support, wear a green ribbon to show others that they aren't alone. Have a nice day, Marauders.
Thank you, school psychologists. We appreciate you. We have an amazing Spanish teacher on campus who also happens to be an amazing artist. Let's go check out this music video made by Mr. Velazquez.
Panic on the brain, teachers gone insane, work is starting to get heavy. I can't help but think, haven't felt this way since they took Friends off of Netflix. Wondering, could you please let off the workload, please? Or is this the way it ends? 'Cause I told you my level of concern, but you logged off like you never heard. You could give less work, my level of concern. Just need you to tell me that you heard. Don't need no more work. Panic on the brain, Kanye's gone insane. Keeping up has now been cancelled. I don't really know what else to do. I can't get into Zoom, and now you're gonna mark me absent. Wondering, could you please let off the workload, please? Or is this the way it ends? 'Cause I told you my level of concern, but you logged off like you never heard. You could give less work, my level of concern. Just need you to tell me that you heard. Don't need no more work. Tell me that you heard. Don't need no more work. Tell me that you heard. Don't need no more work. You could give less work, my level of concern. Just need you to tell me that you heard. Don't need no more work.
That was really good and super catchy. Now that we know what our teachers are doing during their free time, let's go see what our students are up to. That was so awesome to see. Keep up the great work. I, on the other hand, have been staying home and playing with my pets all day, and I know a lot of you have been doing that too. Let's go watch this video introducing some pets.
Hey Marauders, so today I decided to bring out my mini microphone to introduce you to all my pets in my house. The things that keep me company, so enjoy. First off, I'm going to introduce my buddy Gunner. I have two boxers. This is the first one. He's a baby. His name's Gunner, even though she looks smaller than him, but whatever. So, Gunner, sometimes his lip gets stuck on his tooth. Let's just fix that. There we go. Do you have anything to say? Have anything interesting about your life? No, We don't lick. So obviously, as you can tell, he's very vocal. He was also a rescue. We got him he was tied up to a tree in the rain, so that's kind of interesting. He's super lovable. His back hips don't work well, though. Yeah, this is the old lady of the house. Her name is Kaylani. We got her from someone, but she's like weird. She's like a miniature boxer. I don't know what happened to her. She looks like a little... Yeah, she looks like Yoda. She's very wise. She knows what she's doing. Do you have anything to add? No. So obviously she thinks that she's the best in the house. So I just got this animal not too long ago, and his name is Rex. I got him with my boyfriend, and he is a leopard gecko. So let me get him out. So let's see if Rex has anything to say. Me too. I feel the same way about that. Very controversial. I get you. Last but certainly not least, we have my dad's fish, basically. We have a saltwater tank. We also have live coral in this saltwater tank. See, look at that one dancing around right there. Isn't that so cool? Those are pretty much all my animals in my house. So...
Thanks, Daddy. That was adorable. Now before we end the episode, we got one more video to show you guys. Let's go check it out.
Today we are going to learn how to make a peach crumble. First, you're going to need some skinless slices of peaches put in a round pan. When you have that ready, you're going to need some brown sugar to put on top of the peaches and 1 tablespoon of flour as well. You're also going to need some cinnamon, and you could put as many as you would like. Afterwards, stir the peaches for a few seconds. Then you're going to squeeze half a lemon onto the peach mixture as well. After you're done squeezing the lemon, stir for a few seconds. In a separate bowl, get 1.5 cups of flour. Also, almost 1 cup of brown sugar. And some oats to go with it. And you could put as many oats as you would like also. You're also going to incorporate 1 stick of almost melted butter. And most importantly, salt. When you're done adding all your ingredients in, mix all the ingredients together until you have the texture of a crumble. Once you have the texture of a crumble, put it all around your peach mixture. Once you're done, put your peach crumble into the oven with a temperature of 375 degrees for 45 minutes. Once you're all done, enjoy with vanilla ice cream and caramel.
That looked delicious. I'm gonna have to try and make that soon. Well, that's all for today, Marauders. My name's Ruby Fiori, and I'm signing off.
You know I keep it icy. You could take a lick, but it's too cold to bite me. Bird, frozen. You the one being chosen. Play the part like Moses. Keep it fresh like roses. Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Clothes with the kiss, so he call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. Looks so good.
chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. I know that my heart can be so cold, but I'm sweet, but you can put me in a